Hello band potatoes, I realized I showed from my side. Now I'm going to show from your perspective. This is day 3 of the trumpet from your perspective, showing the hold a little bit more detailed. We're going to turn those to the right. Okay, and here we go. All right, so the hold is like this in the left hand. Your pinky goes around the bottom, 2 and 3 here. So when you hold the instrument, it is coming at you like this. Okay? Your right hand comes in from here and makes a C shape and will rest on top of the keys, and your thumb goes between the first and second valve while your pinky just surfs the curl. It rests on top. And that way you can move these fingers freely, whereas if you do this, it's a little tougher to move your fingers. So just keep it nice and loose so you can go quickly. And that's how you get that. Okay? The second thing is make sure that you don't puff your cheeks when you play. You don't want to be... There's one trumpet player who ended up with all this air in his cheeks. Famous trumpet player. And... but that's air that's not going in the instrument. That's a lot of extra work. So you want to make sure you practice buzzing before you play. Okay? Day 3.